How do you price a dropshipping product for Facebook ads? Do not start with a 2 times or 3 times markup. Start with one question. How much can you pay to get one customer and still break even? Take the product cost, shipping, and your target selling price. The difference is your max ad spend per sale. Here is the problem. This dog travel bottle costs $16.49, and the recommended price is about $24. That leaves only $7.43 before fees and refunds. So if Facebook needs $8, $10, or $15 to get a purchase, the product loses money fast. Now compare that to this rear view camera monitor. Supplier cost is $6.41. At a $56 price, there is almost $50 of room before ads. That does not guarantee the product wins, but it gives Facebook a much wider margin for testing. The rule is simple. For Facebook ads, I want enough gross profit to absorb a bad first test. If your break-even ad spend is under $10, the product probably needs organic traffic, search traffic, bundles, or a higher price. If it has $25 to $50 of room, paid social is much more realistic. You can check this quickly in ProductLair. Open the product, compare supplier cost to recommended price, then use the calculator to see the break-even ad spend before you test. Link in the description.